Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to talk about something called wishful thinking. It's a very common habit, and it might be the one thing that's stopping you from reaching your goals. So, let's start with a simple question. What do you hope for in your life? Maybe a new job, a great relationship, or maybe just to be happier. We all have dreams, right? But there's a big difference between having a dream and just doing wishful thinking. So, what is it exactly? Okay, so here's the idea. Wishful thinking is when you believe something will happen just because you really want it to. You're not looking at the facts, you're just hoping. It's like having a dream, but with no plan to make it real. This is a perfect way to understand it. It's like saying, I hope I win the lottery, but you never actually bought a ticket. See? The dream is totally disconnected from any action. It's just a wish. Now, this idea is super important in the real world. So let's see what one of the most famous entrepreneurs of our time has to say about it. You probably know who Elon Musk is, right? The man behind Tesla electric cars and SpaceX rockets. You think he must be a huge dreamer to have such big goals. And, well, he is. But he thinks about dreams in a very specific way. What Musk is saying here is that it's easy for us to just hope. It's our natural habit. But he argues that to do anything great, you have to fight that habit. You have to connect your dreams to reality with hard work and a plan. But here's what's really interesting. This is not a new idea at all. In fact, it's a very old piece of advice. Let's travel way back in time to ancient Rome. There was an emperor, a very wise man named Marcus Aurelius, and he thought a lot about how to live a good life. And he warned people about the exact same trap. Listen to that. Toss aside empty hopes. Doesn't that sound familiar? It's the ancient way of saying wishful thinking. He's not saying don't have dreams. He's saying hope alone is empty. You have to fill it with action. You have to rescue yourself. It's pretty incredible, right? A modern CEO and an ancient emperor, thousands of years apart, are seeing the exact same thing. The words are a little different, but the message is the same. A dream without action is just a wish. So the most important lesson here is about moving from just hoping to actually doing. Let's make this super clear with a couple of real-life examples. A lot of people want a better job. It's a great goal to have, but how you think about getting it makes all the difference. This is just wishful thinking. You sit at your desk and you just hope someone will notice you. You're waiting for something good to happen to you. Now this is action. This is rescuing yourself. You are not waiting anymore. You are in control, you're making a plan, learning something new, and starting a conversation. You're turning that hope into a real possibility. Okay, let's try another example, one that almost everyone can relate to. Finding a partner. This is the daydream. You hope that the perfect person will just appear in your life, like in a movie. But, real life usually doesn't work that way. And this is the action part. You decide to put yourself out there, meet new people, and go on dates. You are creating opportunities instead of just wishing them to happen. Okay, so we've heard from a modern billionaire and an ancient emperor, and we've seen some examples. Now, let's make this about you. How can you use this idea in your life, right now? So, let's review really quickly. Wishful thinking, or empty hopes, is just hope without a plan. We learned that it's a natural thing for humans to do, but the best advice from both the past and the present is to add action. The solution is simple. Turn your hopes into a plan. So I will leave you with this final question. Think about that hope you have for your life. What is one small, simple action you can take today to start making that hope a reality?